Hello, this video is on call notes and brought to you by Nelson Systems Incorporated. I'll be using an Eventide Nextlog DX model recorder with software version 2024.1. Once you locate a recording that you want to add a note to, you can right-click on that recording and choose Properties. From the Properties All tab, you can find the Notes field and apply a note at this point. Once you have the note applied, you can go ahead and close it. You'll see it'll say went away, but updated one field, and then we can close it. So now that recording has a note. If we right click and view the properties again, you can see we have the note. You can also delete the note from here as well. Click out of the field, it'll say it updated one field, and you can close the call properties. From the results list, if you right click on one of the column headers, you can also scroll down and find the notes field and add it to your results list. And from there you can also double click into the note column, type your note and hit enter and apply a note that way as well. If you need to remove a note, you can double left click into that field. It'll highlight everything. You can backspace or update, edit the note and hit enter. If you need to update the notes on multiple records, select the records that you want to add the note to, right click on that and choose update multiple fields, and then you can type in your note. You can see it updated one field. We'll close that, and now you can see in our results list we have applied that note to all of the selected records. To edit or remove notes from records, again select the ones you want, right click, update multiple fields, and you could choose clear all. It was empty, so we could have left it that way, but again clicking clear all, and then you can close it. There may be other fields that you can update as well, so just depending on what data the system has or what fields it has, you may see additional ones here as well. Once updated, click close, and you can see now those have been removed. You can also use the notes as a filter when searching for records. So from the filters tab in the search, you can scroll down and select note, and then go back to your search, and you can also search for records based on the notes. If you choose not empty and do a search, you may see records that come back that have empty notes. The system remembers that the record did have a note at one point, so it will come back in a not empty search. That lets the user know that at one point that record did have a note, but it has been removed. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.